Hey guys, Todd here again with TW Home Show. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a special project I've been working on for the last probably 3 days now, and it's organizing our walk-in closets in our bedroom. So this is our bedroom suite. Our bedroom's right up there. Back behind me is our bathroom in the bedroom suite. Right here is my closet. I call this closet number 2, and this is closet number 1. So guys, come on in, take a look at closet number 1. And I've added all kinds of new shelving, hanging devices, and mirrors. So we've got it all going on here today. Also, we'll take a quick look at this one. This is closet number 2. And this is an odd shaped closet. It was a challenge to do. I've got network set up in here as well. And we've got some hanging and drawers and everything. So guys, stay tuned, because what I'm about to show you today is how I quickly remodeled my closet organization system, took out the wire racks, put in these wooden cabinets. They turned out fantastic. I'm going to show you step by step kind of how I did it. It's going to be quick, kind of fast paced, because now we're getting into the lighting of these cabinets, and that's really what I brought this video to you for today. And that's to do closet cabinet lighting. We've got 2 different brands I'm going to mix up today and see which one works best. I'm probably going to use them both because I think they use the same connectors. So guys, stay tuned for a special project coming right up. Guys, when you're doing a project like this, you're going to want to sketch it out first, because that's what I did. I'll show you a couple of sketch designs of my closet number 1 here. And I sketch it out with measurements and stuff like that that you might need in designing your setup or even purchasing your products and cabinets for it. And then I've got my closet number 2 set up here. I'll show you the design of that. And that's my design sketch, and it includes measurements and such and layout for all of my new wood cabinets that I plan to install. I suggest you make these plans on a sketch tablet as well.
We built this city on rock and roll.
No. Cut. We're not using that tune. Not here. Not on my show. Done with the makeover of the closet, the walk-in closet, one of them. I still have mine that I partially did a few years back. I just didn't paint that yellow. Since then, we painted the inside of our house to like tan and gray colors. So I did this one up bright. This is my wife's closet over here. We've got it painted a tan color. and I've got all the wood cabinetry in with the hanging rods. Take a look at it this way. It's all done except for the cleanup, the big mess cleanup. But took me a day and a half or so. I'm happy I did it, finally. Got to dust everything up. Got some hanging racks here, double stacked. And then a shelf area right there to the corner. And notice I put in some holes down here because she's planning on possibly putting a treadmill right here on this side. And we might put a TV in here, and then we can run the cords right down there cleanly out to the outlet right there. So a lot of mess to clean up. That's a project on its own. Now guys, the challenging closet was closet number 2. This is my closet. It's kind of a half octagon shape, and it was really funky to lay out, and it was a big major challenge. And number 1, I had all my camera setup done in here, all the networking, so I had to enclose that, and I was able to put a cabinet in here around it, and I had exposed Cat 5 wires going up, and I got this unique product that's a wrap covering with Velcro. Wrap those up nice and neat. Worked out great. Now the obstacles in this closet. Alright, the obstacles in this closet that I had to overcome. I had a wall safe here, handgun wall safe, nice, easy to get to. I wanted to keep that there, so I made this like a couple shelves up here, then the cabinet and drawers, and then on this angled wall here was kind of funky to do, but I made that my hanging, double hanging. And then over here, like I said, the networking, no problem. I got that in. I had to disconnect everything, reconnect it, and then I had another angle here, and then I got a single wall hang up here and a clothes hamper down there. Clothes hampers are nice to plan into your design in a walk-in closet, because you're always going to have some spot you need to throw your dirty clothes, and these just roll out and you can take them right to the laundry room. And then I had another cabinet and a mirror, and both of these closets have pocket doors. Now let's take a further look on how we moved along here in our design. Guys, another thing I added was some towel bar holders on the wall. I put a couple in here next to the mirror, because you know when you get out of the shower, you don't want to come into your closet where you got to get clothed up, and you don't want to come in unguarded. You want that towel around you till you get to your closet. I also installed one here. Nice little towel racks. They do the job and they look nice. Now guys, when you're setting up and installing your new cabinets in your walk-in closets, you're going to have obstacles. I had one. I pre-installed this when we moved in. It's a shotgun rifle in-wall safe, so I had to design around this, which I did, no problem. Hanging clothes is going to be covering this safe, kind of hidden, so I'm okay with that. Easy access to it still. Also, we had the window up here, so I had to lower the cabinets there. Notice how I did that stagger design. It worked out really well. And then over here we have a bare wall. Now they used to have, when we moved in here, the wire cabinets up here on both sides, and it was huge. 2 people could use it easily. But in our case, my wife possibly wants to put her treadmill in right here, and then I made room for a television set to go up here, wall mounted, you can pull out. And I also pre-drilled holes in here and all the shelves down there until you get down to the outlet, so we can easily plug in a TV, a treadmill, anything we want. And also I extended an outlet over here. Now you're probably wondering, how did I get these heavy wooden shelf units up on the wall, leaving space to vacuum underneath, replace the flooring, which we plan to do with, we're going to take the carpet out and put tile in. And you're wondering, hey Todd, how do you get that heavy son of a gun up there on the wall? Well, I did all this myself, believe it or not. You're able to do it. Just watch your back and use your muscles wisely and accordingly. Now, what I did was I cut some 2x4s underneath, and I was able to screw them into studs, and that holds it about 11 inches off the ground, so I can safely put the cabinet up at the bottom, lean it up onto that stud, and then screw in the top part. It also has a wedge system on these closet cabinets, and you put the wedge up there and you actually put it up there. They come in 2 halves, top and bottom, so you don't have to carry this heavy tall thing up by yourself. Do the bottom one first, just lift it up, slide it down onto the wedge you already hang up, and it will rest itself on your 2x4s there. They are strong as can be, guys. This is not coming down. Alright, another couple gadgets I got here in the closet. When I was setting it up and planning it, I've got a belt holder, or maybe a tie holder, or whatever you need for your belts and such like that. And it just slides in here, it's hidden. Nice. And tucks right back in there. Another unit thing I got was this situation rack, I call it. Planning rack. You're planning on what to wear tomorrow. You're getting your hangers, your clothing, checking out, see what fits right, what's going to look right. You hang it here up temporarily, and this door's away. You can get out a couple outfits that you think you might want to match up for the next day at work, and just set it up here. It's hanging here for you the next morning. Now, guys, another issue I had in designing our closets is neither one of them had power outlets in them. And I wanted to install the LED lighting like we're going to do in this video. So I had to tap off an outlet on the other side of this wall that's the bedroom in here. No problem, there's an outlet there. I tapped off it, put a 4-gang outlet switch here, and then ran some track around and up back into the wall again. And then we installed a single outlet area. So I've got outlets on both sides now, and we're ready for lighting.
Don't you remember we built this city? We built this city on rock and roll. We built this city. We built this city on rock and roll. Built this city. We built this city on rock and roll. Someone always playing corporation games.